Welcome to Marina's Kitchen. I'm still here with my hand. It's getting better, but I've got a long way to go yet. But it's a special day today. It's a very special day today. I'm going to introduce you to my lovely niece, Giuliana.
Hello everyone.
She's here on holidays. She came on holidays with her mother and her grandmother. They come from Italy, Sicily. And Giuliana stayed back. Why did you stay back, Giuliana?
I attended a course in Melbourne Street, EF Education First, school in the city centre, close to South Bank.
Yeah, and she did very well. What did you do?
Yeah, it was a course of 2 weeks and we did grammar, vocabulary, speaking, conversation, activities in the afternoon, everything.
And what was the lovely thing that you did that you enjoyed doing while you were there?
I think that the best thing was climbing the Story Bridge.
Oh, that was lovely. That was a lovely experience for you to have climbing the Story Bridge, and I've never done it while I'm here. And then you went to South Bank, you went to museums.
South Bank, I visited also the art gallery in the city centre. And we really enjoyed because I met 3 girls from other countries and we stayed together.
Oh, lovely. Oh, lovely. Yeah. So she's still here with me, and she loves my almond crescents. She loves my almond crescents, okay?
Yes.
So I promised her that before she goes back home that I'm going to teach her how to make almond crescents. Yeah. One hand and all, she's going to help me, okay? So first of all, I'm going to tell you what I put into this dough. First of all, we got 240 grams of butter, and we just put it together with half a cup of icing sugar, The vanilla went in, and then we put in 2.5 cups of self-raising flour, that went in there, and also now here we did 3/4 cup of almond meal. And it's very quick and very simple. There wasn't any beating to do. We just put it all together, and that's what comes to put it all together like that, okay? Now I'm going to show Giuliana how to make them. We've got the oven on for 180. They're in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. They go nice and brown. I'll show you how to do them. Now Giuliana, I'm going to give you some pieces, and you're going to roll them up. I'm going to put the baking tray over here.
Yes.
And you're going to put them in the baking tray like that.
Yes.
Okay. Good girl. And she'll be going home and she'll be making these when she goes home.
So, I'll roll these.
Yeah, roll that up. I'll give you another piece like that. And just keep on rolling them and shape them in the crescents, in almond crescents. Oh, lovely. You're doing a good job, darling.
Thank you. Okay.
Look, one hand and all. I'm doing them with one hand and all. Look.
Yes,
look
with one hand.
One hand. Look, there you go. Almond crescents with one hand. It's been really lovely to have
Giuliana. You are an heroine. With one hand you are doing biscuits.
I'm doing everything with one hand. I've got to, because I've got a long way to go yet. I'll give you another piece. We're doing very well. When these come out of the oven, when they're lightly brown, we're going to dip them in some caster sugar when they're hot. Then you sprinkle them with icing sugar on the top. And look, doing very well. Lovely. They look good.
Yes.
And the pastry is beautiful because it's a lovely moist pastry and just lovely. I mean, you've got that 240 grams of butter with their 1/2 cup of icing sugar. You've got 2.5 cups of self-raising flour, 3/4 cup of almond meal and vanilla, and that's all it does. And you've got that lovely soft mixture, beautiful soft mixture. And you're doing very well, darling.
Thank you.
You can go home and you can be doing this. You're going to do this.
You'll teach to my mum.
And you're
going to teach
You're going to teach your mum.
Yes.
Oh, that'd be lovely. Oh, look, I've enjoyed having my niece and my niece's daughter here from Italy. They come from Sicily.
Yeah.
They came on holidays. Now, her mother and her grandmother went back home, and she stayed back to do this schooling that she wanted to do. And she's very, very good. She's a lovely girl. I enjoyed having her here. Okay, well,
Me too.
Well, we'll do another couple, and then that'll be all what we'll do. Okay?
Yeah.
You've done well. Beautiful.
Okay.
They're just as good as what I do. Oh, you're getting better at them all the time. Lovely. There you go. You're such, oh, lovely. So you're very good.
Okay.
Okay, now Giuliana, you show them the finished product, what we did.
Yes. This is the finished product. Cooked, already cooked.
We dipped them in the caster sugar while they're hot. We dipped them in there while they're hot. And then we sprinkled them with icing sugar to have that beautiful finish. And there she's got her beautiful almond crescents that she can go back home and make them.
Yeah.
Thank you, Giuliana, for being here with
Thank
me.
you.
Love you, darling.
Thank you.
Love you,
It's
sweetheart.
been a
Have a good
pleasure.
holiday and be
Yeah.
careful. Okay, darling?
Yes.
Love you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.